The quorum is governed by Section 53, 1B of the Constitution. That says, for sittings of the National Assembly to decide any matter, it must be the majority of members of the Assembly. The majority. It also says in subsection 2, for decisions that pertain to passing of bills and so on and so on. And then you need 1/3 for any other decision. It's written there. For passing bills and any matters, you need a majority of members. But for any other question, meaning any other matter, you need 1/3 of members of that house being National Assembly. So yes, it governs the election of the Speaker, the Deputy Speaker, and the President-elect. It applies the same procedure for the National Council of Provinces. Parliament, National Assembly as a house has got 400 seats. And those are the 400 IEC declared on Sunday, on the 2nd. I'm not sure whether you were watching. They declared 400 seats, 200 from regional contributions and 200 from proportional representation. It makes 400. So the House is already 400 members, the House.
When you speak of 1/3, how many seats would be required?
134 is the 1/3 of members of Parliament.